about motherhood, thrifts and finds, and beauty. Today, I really just want us to talk about beauty hacks or makeup hacks that we're definitely not carrying into 2022, or that we will be applying in 2022 and living in 2021, because guys, we need to start slaying in the right manner. So I'm just going to jump right ahead into it, and I'm going to start with eyebrows. Guys, eyebrows are like the main part of your makeup application, and so you want to really get it right. What you want to avoid is filling in your brow completely. It becomes a bit dark and it doesn't look very natural. So what you want to do is be able to just draw strokes of lines in your eyebrow while filling it in, so that it looks a bit more natural and it's not obviously bold, unless you're really just doing bold makeup, because then it also depends. But if you want something that's a bit more natural and blends right into your skin and looks very well done, as you can see, you want to fill in part of your brow as opposed to just marking it all with an eye pencil. Number 2 is concealer. Guys, the mistake we do is we apply concealer right below our eyes, and as you can see below our eyes we have these wrinkles or these lines that form that part of our eye. So what you want to avoid is applying concealer directly from your eye going outwards. You want to start a bit below from the eye, so that the wrinkled part does not, because sometimes it smudges. So when someone looks at your eye, below your eye, when you've applied makeup, it shows the lines of concealer. So but if you apply it from a bit below, it becomes very clean and it gives a very clean look, as you can see, guys. So let's really work on our concealer application, especially below our eye area. The third thing is foundation. Guys, foundation is really just meant to augment our face. It's really just meant to cover the small little pimples or rashes or marks that we might have on our faces. So what you want to avoid, putting a lot of foundation by just smudging it on your face, because what happens is that when you're now blending in your foundation, it looks so baked that it becomes like a thick layer of foundation application. So what you want to do is just put dots of foundation and then just blend it out nicely. As you can see, it really blends in with your skin and makes it look more natural, as opposed to a caked face. We are running away from caked faces. In 2022, we are going to apply our foundation correctly, right? So the other thing is how you apply your lipstick. I know in 2021 we have really worked hard on blending two types of lipstick, where you go in with a lighter shade in the inner surface of your lip and a more darker shade on the outer surface of your lip. So that looks really nice if you blend it in correctly. What we want to avoid, guys, is using eye pencil to create a marked line on our lips. We are definitely not moving with that vibe to 2022. Tafadhali, guys, let's stay away from using our eye pencils on our lips. It looks very untidy and very unkempt. You just want to apply your lipstick just using because right now we have the lip applicator allows you to start from where your lip starts. So what you want to do is just apply nicely the lipstick, and it cuts correctly on your lip. Guys, let's be natural on lipstick. We don't want it to look overdone, but we want it to look as part to blend in with our makeup. So you want to avoid using eye pencil on your lip area. You just want to apply your lipstick nicely. It looks very well done, it looks very natural, and it blends in even with your foundation. So that's what we want to achieve in 2022. The other thing will definitely be hair. If you usually apply gel, you want to apply your hair gel like this. So this looks more natural, and it also just plays on your natural hair, so making it look neat, and also just blends in with your makeup, blends in with your hairstyle. You want to avoid drawing a line with your gel, guys. That is not something you want to go with into 2022. Please just get a used brush or buy a brush from the supermarket and committed to using it on your hair only. It really helps to achieve clean lines, so that when you're cutting off the hair using your gel, it looks very neat and it looks well done. As you can see, I've done mine naturally and they look very well. They look like it's part of my baby hair and it looks neat and it just blends in with the hairstyle. So you want to avoid drawing a straight line with when you're applying gel on your natural hair. It looks really horrible and it just doesn't look good. So guys, let's really work on that. Let's really work on that. So the other thing is definitely natural products. I recommend natural products anytime because they have worked for my skin. I usually use turmeric, lemon, and yogurt. I'll show you a video where I talk about my skin routine. You can go there and see how I usually do it, but I do believe that natural products are just the easiest way to maintain a well glowing face. But I know for other people natural products don't work, so it's just finding the right products that work for your skin. I would recommend Simple products, I would recommend Garnier products, I would recommend Dove products. There are so many products that you can use, so just try experimenting with patches of your face or patches of your neck to see what product would work for you. But it's a definite for someone who wants to achieve a well glowing face. Yeah, just like mine. The other thing is eyelashes. We are definitely going with eyelashes into 2022. If you still have not learned how to apply eyelashes, I'm going to do a video and show you guys how to do it, but just look at the difference they make. This one is not very well done, but just look at the difference they make. They just make your eyes sparkle. They look very nice and very neat, and so this is definitely something we are going to carry on to 2022. The last thing I'll definitely be touching on today is wigs. If you wear wigs, then I think something that I have also noticed is still trending in 2021, guys, which would have been left in 2020, is wearing a lace wig or a full 360 wig without plucking the hairlines. Guys, we are not going into 2022 wearing wigs that look like wigs, like the whole line is just drawing itself here. I mean, I wish I could put on a wig and show you guys what I mean. Let me try. I'll try. If I'm able to, I will. If I'm not, I'm just saying that please let us pluck our hairlines to achieve a natural wig. So if you've bought a 360 laced wig, please ensure you have plucked the hairline, so that when you put on the wig, it looks natural and it looks like it's part of your hairline and it's not a block of hair that is just all rounded. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we are all looking forward to a beautiful new year, and we're praying to God that we make it to 2022. I wish you all a beautiful end of year and see you all next time. Bye.